Hey guys, it's your boy, Thanos 2.6 here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing, I bought a Ninjago Lego set that I think is really cool, and this is the front. That's the front, and that's the back. It has 4 weapons. 2 are these arrow blades, and the third and fourth one are the shurikens. So yeah, let's open this box. Let's open this box up. Ugh. Hello guys, this might take a minute or so. First, I got the instruction booklet, so it can help me build. Then I got the sewing disc or something like that. Then I have the whipcord, and I got 2 bags. So yeah, I'm gonna pause it here and get this all together, and I'll show you. So I will be right back. So here's the pile of Legos, and here is the first instruction. The instruction that I'm going to be building is Zane. So, okay. So here's the pants. And then here's the torso. That right there, like that. Then the head. It has 2 faces, a mad face and a happy face. But let's put the happy face on. Like so. And then I'll put the helmet on. So give me a minute. Okay, so I figured out that I'm going to have to put a mask on first. Put this on before the head. Then put the head on. Like so. Then put the helmet on. And this is the guy. There's the back. There's the front. So let me get the shurikens on him, then I'll show you what he looks like with the shurikens. And finished. This is what he looks like with the shurikens on him. So, yeah. Now, I'm gonna pause it, then build another thing, then I'm gonna come back. So, yeah. Bye. Okay, I finished another part of the build. So, yeah. This is the other side, is the other build, is another build. There's that, plus the ninja of ice. So, okay, so I finished out the builds, so now I am going to build. Okay guys, the third build is complete. The launcher. So, let me add a few more pieces, then I'll launch it, okay? So, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, the Zane Spinjitzu Master Lego set is completed. And this is what the final build looks like. There's the back, and then there's the front. And then there's Zane inside. And here is Zane's weapons and Zane's eyes. So yeah, this video is done. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and well, YouTube is broken, and they're doing this all on views and stuff. So tell your friends. Oh yeah, and let's go for 10,000 likes on today's video. Okay, so here is everything that I built. There's instructions, there's Zane's weapon holder, and there's Zane in his spinjitzu capsule, then there's the spinjitzu capsule launcher, and this is all that I built from this Lego set, from Zane's Spinjitzu Master Lego set. So, yeah, bye.